score 100 out of 100 in mathematics, but there are so many chapters. How can I do that? Yes, you can do that. How you can do that? Mathematics is a very easy subject. Yes, ma'am, what you are telling? Yes, it's a very easy subject. It's not tough. But I was talking with my students. They tell that, okay, I will leave that chapter. Don't do that mistake ever. If you are fearing with something and if you have 1 month time also, go on rolling on that, because it's nothing tough. And nowadays people are getting 100 out of 100, so it's not easy. All are same, so everybody can get. So how to score that? Maths में 100 लाना possible है, impossible नहीं. बस एक formula है हमको. We have to learn the concept, the consistency and the chapter strategy, and that's the full maths. So what are the chapters? It's just number system or real number. So how you will start? You will just do the conceptual clarity, will prove the theorems, revise the Euclid's algorithm, HCF, LCM. Today only I was teaching my students HCF, LCM, small mistakes. Here that means silly mistakes, so that we cannot afford. Then algebra like polynomials, linear equations, quadratic. So we have to practice all the types. What is there? Factorization, wall problems, graph-based MCQ, understand the root-based question. Then geometry, the most interesting part and the easiest part. Draw neat diagrams, write the steps carefully and practice construction again and again. That's it. Trigonometry. My students tell, ma'am, that's the main thing. So memorize the identities like table. Tan theta is your most favorite. It has to be. Solve all type, like height and distance is also there. Remember, marks here are like a bonus, free, okay, if you practice. And mensuration, it's their final. Surface area, volume. Don't just mug a formula. Solve what problems? Like combinations like hemisphere, cone, and then the coordinate geometry. It's very easy marks. Revise formula for distance, midpoint, section, practice curve plotting. And then the statistics and probability. Use formulas carefully, learn how to show walking, understand mean, median, mode, logic, probability, simple. And then arithmetic is there, like profit and loss is there, simple interest, compound interest, ratio, time, speeds, that is there. You clear concepts, formula usage, that it's only. The final tip is that you daily practice that. Don't fear, and then solve sample paper like it. If you have any question, I have provided my number. You can WhatsApp me. Math is not about who is the smartest. It's about who practice smart and stays consistent, and that's how we can fetch 100 out of 100. Best of luck to all my students.